bullshit.
I expect very much.
Do you want to take a chair?
No. What? Hey, calm down. What are you gonna do about it? I don't do to... What are you fucking waiting for? You're on talk.
You're Frankie Doyle, aren't you?
Yeah.
How would you like this chapter of your life to end?
So let's talk about you.
Nice try.
I know you're a dark.
Yes, I'm a lesbian.
Frankie, let it go. I know you're not a killer. Yes, I am!
Yeah, well, who have you killed?
I fucking killed Meg Jackson!
Disappointed, Frankie? Professionally and personally.
I could give a fuck. Seriously. So what, you're in love with me?
No.
So you just want to fuck me? I can't. I know. Not here, not yet. Fuck this place! I don't want to be picked up by a hot girl in a hot car and driven off into the sunset.